everyone, this is Devjani from The Beautiful As We All Are Beautiful in Our Own Way, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to share this look here. It is a very Bengali look, and I have created this look for the coming Navratri series. As I am a Bengali, so I am going to dedicate this look for the day of Ashtami, that is the 8th day of Navratri. If you don't know what the series is, then I'll give the link to the I button and as well as in the description box. Do check out. If you are interested in this look, then please keep on watching. To the actual video, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing, hit to that notification bell so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. Follow me on my social medias. I'm quite active there. I'll give all the link to the screen and as well as in the description box. Do check out, and thank you so much for watching.
Hey everyone, so after moisturizing and priming, for foundation today I'm going to use Fit Me and going to blend this foundation with a damp beauty blender. For the concealer I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. These are all basic steps I'm doing. I'm also using the concealer as a eyelid primer. And going to apply the concealer to my usual places. Now going to blend the concealer with a damp beauty blender. Now for setting the concealer, I am using the Miss Clear translucent powder. I have done my eyebrows off camera. Now for the eye makeup, I am going to take this shade from my Morphe palette. And I'm going to define my upper crease area with a fluffy brush. Now with this red shade, I'm going to deposit the color to the outer V of my eyes. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm going to take this to my crease and inner corner. Now with this shade, I'm going to darken up my outer V area. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend all the colors for a seamless finish. Now I'm going to take this Color Essence single eyeshadow in gold color and I'm going to apply this to my lid area. Now with the brush, I'm going to blend the edges. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline gel liner and going to draw a wing out of it. Taking some time for the perfection. Now with a pencil brush with the same colors, I'm going to smoke out my lower line area. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone area and inner corner. of my eyes. For mascara, I'm taking my favorite Maybelline mascara, but somehow the clip got deleted. Then for contour, I'm going to use that Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm going to contour my cheeks, forehead and my chin area. For blush, I'm going to take my Maybelline Cheeky Glow, and for the highlighter, I'm going to take a highlighting shade from my Morphe palette. Now for lips, I'm going to take my favorite color bar, Hollywood. It's a hot red color. It's going to complement the whole look. So here my look is complete. How do you like this look? This is a pure Bengali look. So if you like, then please give a big thumbs up. And happy Durga Puja and Navratri to all of you. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.